Okay guys, so if you forgot your bike combo, this is the video to watch. So, see, my combo is pony. And let's just flip it around and say I forgot it. Okay? So you go through the letters, and on this one you see which one clicks. Or which one is shaky. Okay, so this one has the weird click and it shakes. Second one, you just see which one shakes. See, that one shakes quite a bit. Okay, just making sure you saw it. Go through this again, which one shakes. Okay, so my third letter is N. Okay, then you just go through the last few letters to see which one will open it. Alright? So, hope it helped. And, yeah. Please don't use it to go open some kid's bike, or I will hunt you down. So, yeah, thanks for watching.